Fermentation is a process that involves the breakdown of sugar by bacteria or yeast. Not only does this help enhance the preservation of food, but eating fermented foods can increase the number of good or healthy bacteria in your gut, also known as probiotics. In this video, I'm looking at 5 fermented foods shown to improve health and digestion. Number 1, kefir. Kefir is a type of cultured dairy product. It's made by adding kefir grains, which are made up of a combination of yeast and bacteria, into milk. Now this results in a thick and tangy beverage with a taste that is often compared to yogurt. Studies have shown that kefir may come with many benefits. In this small study, it was shown to improve the digestion of lactose in 15 people with lactose intolerance. Another study found that consuming 6.7 ounces or 200 milliliters of kefir daily for 6 weeks decreased markers of inflammation, a known contributor to the development of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Enjoy kefir on its own, although it does taste a little bit tangy. You can also add it to smoothies or shakes. Number 2, kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea that is fizzy, a bit tart, and described as flavorful. It's made from fermenting either black or green tea, and of course contains their health promoting properties. Animal studies show that drinking kombucha could help prevent liver toxicity and damage caused by exposure to harmful chemicals. Test tube studies have also found that kombucha could help induce cancer cell death and block the spread of cancer cells. One animal study even found that kombucha helped reduce blood sugar, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol. Now, in saying that, further studies are needed to determine how kombucha may affect humans. Thanks to its rising popularity, kombucha can be found at most health food and even general grocery stores. You can also prepare it at home, but you have to be really careful to avoid contamination or over-fermentation. Number 3, tempeh. Tempeh is made from fermented soybeans that have been pressed into like a compacted cake. This high-protein meat substitute is firm but chewy and can be baked, steamed, or sautéed before being added to dishes. In addition to its impressive probiotic content, tempeh is rich in many nutrients that can be beneficial for your health. For example, soy protein has been shown to reduce certain risk factors for heart disease. One study in 42 people with high cholesterol looked at the effects of eating either soy protein or animal protein. Now, those eating soy protein had a 5.7% decrease in bad LDL cholesterol, a 4.4% reduction in total cholesterol, and a 13% reduction in blood triglycerides. Additionally, a test tube study found that certain plant compounds in tempeh could act as antioxidants, helping reduce the buildup of free radicals, which are harmful compounds that can contribute to chronic disease. So tempeh is perfect for vegetarians and meat eaters alike. Use it for anything from sandwiches to stir fries to take advantage of its health benefits. Number 4, kimchi. Kimchi is a popular Korean side dish that is usually made from fermented cabbage. It boasts an extensive array of health benefits and may be especially effective when it comes to lowering cholesterol and reducing insulin resistance. Insulin is responsible for transporting glucose or sugar from the blood to the tissues. Now, when you sustain high levels of insulin for long periods, your body stops responding to it normally, resulting in high blood sugar and insulin resistance. Now, in this study, 21 people with pre-diabetes consumed either fresh or fermented kimchi for 8 weeks. Now, by the end of the study, those consuming fermented kimchi had decreased insulin resistance, blood pressure, and body weight. Kimchi is easy to make and can be added to anything from noodle bowls to sandwiches. Number 5, probiotic yogurt. Yogurt is produced from milk that has been fermented, usually with a form of lactic acid bacteria. And it's been associated with a wide variety of health benefits. One review of 14 studies showed that fermented milk products like probiotic yogurt could help reduce blood pressure, especially in those with high blood pressure. Another study found that a higher intake of yogurt was linked to improvements in bone mineral density and physical function in older adults. It may also help keep your waistline in check. A recent review showed that eating yogurt was associated with a lower body weight, less body fat, and a smaller waist circumference. Remember that not all yogurt varieties contain probiotics, as the bacteria can be killed during processing. So look for yogurts that say on the packaging they contain live cultures in order to get your dose of probiotics. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative. Don't forget to subscribe to Healthline's Authority Nutrition YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button below this video.